everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I am so excited to be back. If you all follow me on Instagram, then you will know that my aunt died, my mom's oldest sister. So I pretty much just took time out to just spend, time with family. And Thursday and Friday. Friday was the funeral, so Thursday was the visitation. So we went home and just was able to be with family, and I just took this time off just to take time for myself, just to reflect on some things. So I am back, and I'm super excited to be back. And I have done my tablescape. As you all know, today is Sunday, so today is my day to do my Sunday best tablescape. And as you know, I do Sunday best tablescapes every other Sunday. All right, so today I decided to bring this beautiful tablescape to you, and of course I had to add one of my passions, which is my balloon decor. All right, as you all know, if you've been following me for a little while, then you would know that I have added balloon designs into my channel. All right, so I'm going to be showing you what I have done. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, where I do event decor, home decor, balloon designs, and family fun. All right, so now I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see my Sunday best tablescape. Make sure you comment below. Let me know how you like it, and let me know how you like my balloon design. All right, so you all have a great and wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. All right, so as you see, I have used these beautiful black chargers, and I added my black napkin as well as my red plate here and a fork. And these are some beautiful wine glasses that was given to my husband and I for our anniversary. And they are beautiful, and I decided to add them to the table. All right, I added my black tablecloth as well as lined it with my red table runner, as you see, all the way down the middle. And I have set this table up for 4. Normally I do 6, but I'm gonna go on the other side and let you see the other 2 table settings here. All right, and right here in the middle is my balloon design. All right, this is part of my table runner, and as you see, I have added my beautiful red roses right here. All right, and these are red and black balloons. Okay, and this is my first time making this balloon table runner, and I just did it so that it would be just centered right in the middle. All right, and I think it is gorgeous. All right, now I'm going to go to the other side so that you can see over here. You can see it from the back side. And this is my red and black tablescape. All right. And I don't know if you noticed it or not, but all I did was switch up the napkins. I did red on this side, and as you see, I did black on that side, and I did black on this side for this table setting, and I did red for this one. So I just switched it up. All right, so I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love to read your comments.